Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. Yeah, me. Well, I have this. Guess what I have right here. Guess what I have right here. Yeah. Okay. I have this 1988 LLV. You need. This is a 1988 LLV. The post office used this small truck, mini truck, whatever you want to call it, to deliver your mail to you and for the people. Know what I'm saying? So, more or less, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna replace the steering column. See all this thing? We're gonna replace all this. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how. Alright, so come with me. Before I get into the action, don't forget to subscribe. See, I can't stress it enough, man. 90% is still, and I'm gonna say it again. 90% of the people who watch my videos haven't subscribed. So you better subscribe to my channel, bro. See, you have to subscribe to the channel, please. I mean, what else you need? What else you want? 2 for 1. Now I'm saying that's the deal. It's for free, and also you're learning something. You're gonna learn today too. Yeah, I mean. So, subscribe to my channel, destroy the subscribe button, hit the like button, bang it, and the feedback, you know what I'm saying? Put it in the comment box for me, alright? And that's all we're gonna do. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Come with me. I'll show you how to do this. Alright? Easy. 1, 2, 3, just like that. You need? Let's do it. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Astu's back. Yeah, me. I hope you liked the video how to remove the steering column. Pretty much it's self-explained how to remove these wires. For this one, there's a bolt that holds it in the steering column. Just lose this one, pull the whole thing out. If you're gonna replace it, just press this too and pull it out. Alright, the thing should come out. For this one on top, I explained this one right here. I explained it in the video just with my hands. I usually don't talk. This one is like this one on top right here. You just gotta push this one out. Push it out and then pull the connector. That's pretty much it. This thing is the one that reads when you put it in park, neutral, drive. You know what I'm saying? This one goes here. So yeah, like I say, it took me like, let's say, 14 minutes to pull it out. It could take me like 5 minutes, 10 minutes if I'm not recording, but it is what it is. Now I'm saying, I hope you enjoy, I hope you like it. And this is more for you can do it in any truck, in any vehicle, old vehicle. Now I'm saying, because this LLV, long life vehicle, is from 1988. So do your math. Now I'm saying, I can't stress it enough. And I'm gonna say it again. The 90% of viewers haven't subscribed to my channel, so you watch it and don't subscribe. What's that about? What's that about? Good. So what you gotta do is just subscribe to my channel. Now I'm saying, it's for free, and you learn some. So take advantage, alright? Subscribe to my channel. Hit it, bang it, destroy the subscribe button. Hit the like button, and also the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Alright, and tomorrow I'm gonna get the new column, the steering column. I'm just gonna do everything back. And I'm saying, I'm just gonna put the column in through that hole, and then start connecting wires. I'm saying, alright. That's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. If you know an easier way, if you know how to do it like faster, or, you know what I'm saying, just put it in the comment box. Let me know. And like I was saying before, this is more for those mechanics that I work for the USPS. You know what I'm saying? Through the comments, I saw that I found these mechanics that I work for the USPS asking me, "Oh, yo, do you take the exam, the test for the USPS to become a mechanic? This and that, blah, blah, blah." I don't work for the USPS. I just do these jobs randomly. Know what I'm saying? If I see it, I do it. Know what I'm saying? And this is what I do. I do this, bro. I do it. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do every day. Alright? Now, I'll let you go now, alright? Holla at your boy. So I'll see you in the next one, alright? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Holla at your boy. Hey, what? Hey.